DJI just launched the Lito One to replace the Mini 4K with a larger sensor, better obstacle detection, and longer flight time. But there's a significant problem. US buyers can't actually purchase it yet. Let me explain what's happening and what your options really are. The DJI Lito One and Lito X1 launched officially in multiple markets including the UK and Australia. But listings have not materialized in the United States. This isn't a supply chain delay or a gradual rollout. This is directly related to the ongoing DJI drone ban situation in the US. The regulatory environment means DJI cannot officially launch these products through normal channels. We'll likely see gray market listings appear through third-party importers eventually, but there's no timeline for when that happens or what the pricing will be. In markets where the Lito One is available, it starts at £299 in the UK or 539 Australian dollars. Converting those prices to US dollars gives rough estimates, but grey market pricing typically adds a premium for import costs and regulatory risk. Without official US pricing, you're buying blind if you go through importers. Here's where it gets interesting. The DJI Mini 4K is currently on sale for $209 on Amazon, down from its original $299 price. This is a record low price. This clearance pricing suggests DJI is actively discontinuing the Mini 4K in favor of the Lito series. When a product hits this kind of discount, it usually means remaining inventory is being cleared before the replacement launches. The Lito One does offer meaningful upgrades. Larger sensor for better image quality, improved obstacle detection with 360-degree coverage, and longer flight time. These aren't just spec sheet numbers. These translate to real-world performance improvements. Both drones stay under 249 grams, so no FAA registration required in either case. The question is whether those improvements justify waiting for uncertain availability at unknown pricing versus grabbing a proven product at clearance pricing. If you buy the Mini 4K now at $209, you get a functional beginner drone immediately at a historically low price. If you wait for the Lito One, you're gambling on when it becomes available through grey market channels and what the final price will be. Grey market purchases also typically mean limited or no warranty support. If something goes wrong, you're on your own. Industry patterns suggest the Mini 4K will become increasingly hard to find over the next few months. Once current Amazon inventory sells out at clearance pricing, remaining stock will likely disappear or jump back to higher prices through third-party sellers. This creates urgency around the Mini 4K deal, which is exactly what clearance pricing is designed to do. Multiple outlets gave the higher-end Lito X1 5 out of 5 stars with praise for its 1/1.3-inch sensor. This validates that the Lito series represents genuine improvements over the Mini series. But a great product you cannot actually purchase doesn't help you fly a drone today. Normally the answer would be simple, wait for the better product. But the US regulatory situation makes this genuinely complicated. If you need a sub 250 gram beginner drone right now, the Mini 4K at $209 is a strong value. If you can afford to wait and are willing to pay grey market premiums for the Lito One, that's the technically superior option. There's no clear right answer here. It depends entirely on your timeline and risk tolerance. The DJI Lito One is objectively better than the Mini 4K, but better doesn't matter if you can't buy it. The Mini 4K at $209 is available now with full warranty support. The Lito One has no US availability date and no confirmed pricing. Your decision comes down to whether you value immediate availability or future capability.